Hi everybody, this is John, and I'm going to show you my first prototype that worked okay. Had to do some improvising. This here is going to be used for a ramp to come over a seawall or a ledge, and then you can carry the muck away in the new scoop that I have designed. I'll get to that in a minute. What I want to show you here is how I made this. I made it a little bit too heavy, but I'll start out with doing some of this stuff here. Basically, these right here can be like right now they're 2x6. That's too heavy. If you had a 2x8 and you placed this 2x4 on top of this and screwed it down, actually if you turned it over and made it, it would be a lot easier on both sides. This is 12 feet. If you can get 12 feet of board into your car, that would be good. I can't. I can only get in like 8 feet. So what I did, I took three 2x6s. I cut one of them in half. So if you notice, there is a seam right here, and then the other seam is staggered, and it's down here, and it's on the other side. And the reason I do that is that when I place my 2x4s here, they don't come right in the joint. I staggered this one here, comes all the way up here, all the way up to here, and it staggers and goes on up to here, and then another 4 foot up here. What I did here was to put a couple of hinges on there so that as the cart rolled over the edge, it would have a place to land. I got this a little bit wider than normal, and it's just something that I had. Actually, if you had if you put a couple holes in here, a couple holes in there, and drive in some rebar to hold it onto the up onto the ledge to keep it from sliding in, that would be good. The other thing is, if you notice, there's 2x4s that are underneath, and they're not all the way down to the end. The reason why I did that was that if you put this into the lake, you can put a cement block on this edge and then a cement block over here on this edge if you want to, or you might have to put one here and one here if that is needed to keep it from floating. Then I put my cart on here, and see it's got a little bit of extra leeway. It's got a couple inches on each side, so that when you don't have to get it exact as you're coming up through to make the dump. Anyways, I hope this is helpful. I'll try to make some other videos, make things more interesting and more simple. Thanks for watching. John Wagner here. You can reach me at johnwagner332@gmail.com. Thanks. Bye.